Hello everybody, welcome back to BareRose Garage. What are we doing now? Well, I'll show you the proper way to shrink tube and crimp join two wires together with the infamous butt connectors. On this sending unit here, it's a perfect opportunity for me to show you. So, let's get busy here. You can see the stuff I got ready here. This is the wire here I got to connect. The black is a ground. It traces over and it goes to a ground there. The white is to my sending unit that's to the gauge. First thing we got to do is strip the wires off. I use these Klein strippers. I picked them up at Home Depot. They're actually very, very good. And I got them on sale, so that was nice. I go about that much. I don't know how much it is. Give them a twist to line all the wires up. Now, this side. Now when I cut this chunk of shrink tube here, this is 1/4 inch. I cut it so I got that much sticking out at the end, right there. You just place it up and over on it like that and feed it on through. Now I leave it loose for right now, but we'll get into that. Now I got to strip these two. Pretty simple. We'll go and I always go clockwise. Just give it a couple of twists like so. Now we'll take the butt connector, make sure it fits, give it a twist. That'll work good. The reds are for these little light gauge 22 to 16 I think gauge, small gauge wire. Okay, before we stick that on there, we're gonna need another piece of shrink. I choose the ones that are just big enough to go over the, like that right there. That one will work. So I'll need 2 of them and I'll get them ready. So we'll put her over on it. Now, on your crimpers, I use the hard pinch right there. You can see it right there. Come back in here where she's at there and give it a crimp. Just like that. Pull on the wire a couple times, make sure she's in there. Then this one. That one's actually a little bit light. We'll fold the wire over on that one. Right like that. Right to there. Give it a hard crimp. Now, I'll put the shrink tube over it. Actually, that's a little bit big. just big enough for the two of them. And then I'll slip the bigger one all the way down here. I don't think 5/16 is big enough. Looks like I'm just a little bit shy there. Okay, now, where was I? These ones. Get that one down over onto it. Then we'll sink these two down in this one. Okay. Stick her down in there, just like that. Use the crimpers to hold it. Give it a tug to make sure. Give it a tug to make sure. Now we'll push this over that, like that. Push this one up over there like that. And then we'll shrink her in. Then we'll push the bigger one over them. Yeah, I should have done two there. Let's see how far I can push that one out. Just like that. Now I got a good, solid, waterproof connection there that'll last a long time. Then we'll drop her in the hole. Just like that. Now that sending unit will hopefully work for as long as it's going to work. You never can tell with aftermarket stuff, but hey, the connections are good and she's ready to go. So I hope that helped you out. That's the way I do all of my electrical connections. I don't bother with the solder and all of that because a lot of times, you know, you get into a little spot, you gotta cut that possibly. I can feel up in there and find my connectors, cut through the middle of the connectors right here and save the wire, fix it, put it back together if I need, and I don't waste a lot of wire. Again, if I can find them in there, that's an easy way to just bring my side dikes in there, get a hold of it right there, and just give it a pop, break it apart. Then I can separate these out, strip them back a little bit if I need. That way I'm only wasting just a little bit of wire instead of having to run all new wire all the way. Anyway, that's where I'm at, and get out there and get some metal hot. And keep the metal hot, not the electric hot. And we'll catch you on the next one.